Okay, today we're gonna make a Ketupat Satay, and this is the Ketupat lontong, so see the difference. Okay, this is satay. So today we're gonna make Ketupat Satay. Okay, this one, let's do some easier way to do a ketupat. So we have this ribbon, so like this. Usually the width of this ribbon is 20 centimeter. Okay, you can use wider or thinner. So I guess this is the ideal size for it, the 20 centimeter width. Okay, so these are my ribbon. Use the ribbon that is curly ribbons. It's a plastic one. You can use for curly like this. Yeah, that's why they call it curly ribbon. So today we're gonna use the color of silver and blue. Okay, let's put this aside. So these are things: pencil, or you can use sticks, tape, and ribbons and scissors. Okay. Ideal size for this one, let's say 1 yard or 1 meter or 3 feet or less than 3 feet. Again. Okay. Okay. We have two different color, blue and silver. Okay, first put in your hand like this. See the length? Probably, let's say from here we have 3 inches, and turn it, make it a loop 4 times. Okay, like this. Turn it in your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then since we did like this, take a tape and tape it here, the bottom. Okay, so we have this one. Then make another one, the same thing, same way. Here, round it, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 4. Okay. Then make a line. Take a tape. Tape it below here. Okay, one more. Okay, make sure no excess here, so when we're doing it, it won't stick to other ribbons, so easy is it. Okay, so next step, so we have here. Okay, next steps, so we put them together now. Here is, we did it this way, right? It's the bottom tape, and this one is the longest one. Okay, put it down here. So we just gonna loop together the 3 loops. See? Okay, and this the longer one here. Then this is the one we did at first. This is how it look like, right? We do it on opposite side. They should meet. The longer ribbons should meet together in the middle. It's the opposite side. This one going there, this one going the other way around. Okay, so take the 3 loops. Okay, this one just going down like that, so just leave it. Okay, now what we're gonna do, okay, first we put them together. Okay, so make sure the tip is below. See, it's there. So this is your marker. Okay, so your marker. So first the blue go above, and the silver is underneath. Then alternate. So above, below, and above. Okay, put your finger here so it won't move. Okay, see. Then the second one, it will be, if you go above the first one, so we go underneath. Okay, under, then above, then under. See, maybe this. Then put your finger here so it won't mix up again or come off. Okay, then the third one will be above, underneath, and above. Okay, see. Okay, so we are in halfway already. See, it should like alternate. Okay, so the shape should be like a kite. See, the long tails in this side are this in this side, and the two short one are on the both sides opposite. It's like a kite. Okay, it's like a kite. Then this long one should come here. So we need to just see, follow the flow of the ribbon, go here and go there. Okay, so they will meet there in the other side, opposite side. So this one, follow there, go here and go this side. Then we meet together. Okay, let's do it. This is the first step for this one. I mean second step. Okay. Okay. So now it's going here. So okay, here we can see it's above. So this one should be above it, so the blue one will be underneath. So make a space a bit here so we can put it easily. See, so the silver is on top, should be on the bottom, then on top or above, take it. Okay, then here is the blue is on top of it, so this one we should put it underneath, so it will be alternate. Same thing here, underneath, on top or above. Okay, so go through here. Okay, see, now it's in the opposite side. This is another blue, so it turn a bit here. Okay, see, you can see, follow the flow of the ribbon. So here the blue is on top, so we put it underneath. See the tape here? This is your marker. Put it here. See? Alternate. Okay? Then here. So it's on top. So this one should be on top of another blue one. Okay? On top, on the bottom. The next one. Okay. Yep, that's it. See? They're meet together. So this one you cannot put it underneath because this one is above it already. You cannot put it underneath. It's wrong. So it should be like this. See? Make sure. Okay. Now it's done on the other side. So we're going to the both sides, the shorter one. Remember the tape? This is your marker. So the tape is here. Okay. And the final should be on the opposite one. It should be here. Okay, opposite side. So put your finger here. This and this one should meet each other here. Okay, so what we're gonna do, carefully remove the tape. This is your marker. At the same time, it holds your ribbons, so it won't be messy and easy, because quite hard for us to handle if you are a beginner. It's okay. So what we're going to do, see, this two is on top, so this one will be underneath. So to make sure it's alternate. Okay, then this one above, then underneath here. Okay, see here. So another one here, the silver color. So what we're gonna do, put your finger here. Okay, remove the tape carefully so it won't pull the ribbons out. Okay, so now it's on top, so we put this one on top of this one, so another silver will be underneath it. Okay, so alternate also. Okay, see, yeah, that's it. See, the shape is there already. So what you're gonna do, pull a bit, tighten it. The shape is there already. Sometimes it look like not finished, but when you pull it a bit, you can see the shape already. So where the pencil come in, pencil or stick, to make sure to tighten the ribbons together. See, easy. If you're professional, no need to use that. Tighten a bit, so it will be more. You can see the shape already actually. See? So pull a bit the blue. Okay. Okay. If you have sticks or ball pen, whatever, just to help you to easily tighten the ribbons. You see them, hold both sides, hold. See, and a bit more on the silver one. Okay, we're done. So this is our ketupat satay, right? So any size you can do also, but the important is the tip, you know, you keep it intact and in place. So okay, see it? Then we curly the end. So this is our finished product. Easy, right?
If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.
哇，怎么这么好？